Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see what is an encapsulation, abstraction of data and behavior, data hiding, encapsulation and information hiding, and advantages of encapsulation. In the next video we are going to see access control, and then later we are going to see getters and setters. So let's first see what is an encapsulation. So encapsulation is one of the fundamental concepts in OOPS that focuses on bundling data and methods that operate on the data into a single unit known as a class. It restricts direct access to internal state of an object and enforces control interaction through well-defined methods. And visually we can represent encapsulation like this. Then we are going to see abstraction of data and behavior. Encapsulation allows you to define a class that encapsulates both data and behavior related to a specific entity or concept. So it describes the concept of bundling data and method within a single unit, and whenever we are going to create a class, it means that you are implementing encapsulation, because class is an example of encapsulation as it binds all the data members and methods into a single unit. And you can clearly see in this example, and here you can see in this diagram we have a class employee, then we have a constructor with two data members and one method, and you can see we are wrapping the data and the method that work on the data into a single unit, which is this class employee. So this is the simplest representation of encapsulation. Then we are going to see the data hiding part. Encapsulation enforces the concept of data hiding, where the internal data of an object is not directly accessible from the outside class. Private attributes can only be accessed or modified through public methods, reducing the risk of unintended data manipulation and maintaining the data integrity. Let's see encapsulation and information hiding. Information hiding is a broader concept of encapsulation supports. By exposing only essential details about an object's functionality and keeping the internal implementation details hidden. So it is easier to change the implementation without affecting external interface. Now let's see the advantages of encapsulation. So we have modularity, data integrity, code maintenance, security, and interface abstraction. So these are all the advantages of encapsulation. And in the next video we are going to see access control. Thank you.